Hi there, Phoenix, Hillary, Adrienne, Dustin, Oscar, and Matt. Welcome to the first day of class in Modern Political Theory. I'm really sorry I can't be there with you today. We have a retreat for our department where we're going to talk about the coming semester, and unfortunately the best time to schedule it turned out to be the same time as our first day of class, but I didn't want to leave you hanging. I've got the syllabus, and the office workers are so nice to be able to give that out so that you'll all have copies. It's also on the class Blackboard site. If you look up Political Science 406, Modern Political Theory, you'll see the syllabus there. And then I want to make this video for you just to say hi and welcome to class and talk about how excited I am about the coming semester. Most of you have taken a political theory class from me before, so you probably know what to expect. Sure enough, this class is going to have almost no lectures. It's going to be taught via the Socratic method. There's going to be lots of question and answer and lots of open class discussion. The keys to doing well in the class, just like my other political theory class: read a lot, write a lot, talk a lot. There aren't a lot of lecture notes to take. Every now and then when the material gets particularly tough, like with Hegel, for example, I'll go ahead and give a short mini lecture. You might want to take a few notes, but all the exams in this class are take-home open book essays. We also have a lot of reaction notes. Now, you'll probably remember that the reaction note assignment is an assignment where you absolutely are forbidden from summarizing what the book is about. Instead, you have to take some part of the reading and you have to react to it. You have to say what really grabbed you in your gut. What did you like? What did you hate? What clarified things for you? What was confusing for you? You can be as creative as you want, but you cannot summarize the book. We've got 9 reaction notes this semester, along with 3 take-home exams, the last of which is the final, which of course I'll assign on the last day of class and collect during finals week. Take a look at your syllabus for the reading schedule. You'll see that the reaction note due dates, the assignment dates for tests, and the collection date, everything's on there. Another one of my syllabi where I try to get really organized at the beginning of the semester. Otherwise, it's total entropy by the end of the semester and total chaos with me. And I don't want that, so that's why the syllabi are so organized, and we'll try to stay on point. What's going to be different about this semester from any other political theory class I teach? Well, first of all, there's one interesting thing about this class. It's kind of sad, but looks like this will be the last time this class is ever taught. Because of low enrollments, we're taking it out of our regular class rotations after this semester. Those of you that take the class tend to really love it, but we just aren't getting the numbers. And there are other classes taught by the philosophy faculty that will do a good job of substituting. But it's still a sad time to say goodbye to what's been a really fun class to teach. Another thing that's a little different is that I have several days that I'll be out of town. If you were around last semester, and I think all or nearly all of you were, you know there was a major push to keep the political science major viable and grow our numbers. And part of that means traveling around the state recruiting students. So I've got a couple of community college visits. I'm the chair of the state's Core Outcomes Task Force for this coming year, which means a visit to K-State in late September. And then, of course, we've got the usual holidays. So just check the syllabus for those dates that I'll be out of town that are on top of Labor Day, Veterans Day, fall break, and Thanksgiving break. Again, everything's scheduled day by day at the back of the syllabus. Other differences, I'm going to be a little bit tougher on you this semester. It's so valuable. The class discussions are so rich when we all come to class having done the reading. So I will be alert to make sure that our conversations reflect that we've done the reading ahead of time and that we are talking about the core ideas in the reading and not just kind of launching onto tangents, which all of us, including me, love to do. but we're going to try to keep it a little bit more focused on the reading. I'm not going to do pop quizzes. It's not that kind of a class, but I'm just going to be alert, and we can all hold each other accountable to make sure we're doing the reading each time and doing it carefully. Of course, I always welcome folks during my office hours. Guess what? They're on the syllabus. Everything's on the syllabus. At the top of the syllabus, they're the same as usual, similar schedule as I've had in previous semesters. And you're always welcome when you get stuck on something, when you're struggling with something, when you have questions. Come by during those office hours. Let's talk about it. Let me help you get unstuck. Those are the major changes from what you'd see in any of my other political theory classes. A few more days that I'll be out of town because of recruiting. That apparently this class is going to be taught for the last time, for the time being. You never say never, but for the time being. And a little bit more, I'm going to be a little bit stricter about making sure that our class discussions reflect that the readings are done and that we're staying on topic. Other than that, you're going to see the same old stuff you've seen in my political theory classes before: the wide-ranging discussions, the minimal lecture, the writing assignments, everything take home, open book, challenging each other to get someplace deeper.